metals started off the week on a bullish note. We have seen gold moving all the way towards 28.9697 zone, while silver is also moved upwards towards 3180. What to expect today from gold and silver? Way to enter, way to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day. The next one will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Gold on the hourly charts is see the moving averages have crossed over, which is a good sign for the bulls. As we have seen last week, that yes, it was trading slightly oversold, and that's where we have seen a little recovery. But notice what has happened on the upside. You can find out a greater resistance is offered at around 28.95-96 zone, and that is also we had discussed that if gold starts to move upwards, 28.95, 2900 going to be the first resistance zone, and the second one is going to be at 2920. So let's wait which direction it takes. Right now, I can say it is too early to conclude, though the signs are pretty much bullish here. Yes, these are trading with divergence. Good sign here for the bulls. The stochastic has dropped. Look at MACD after retracing, it is now crossed over for sell, and it has already seen a very good rise. So wait for this to take a direction as well, because see the upside appears to be limited, and thus you need to wait, and we will see with other time frames what it is indicating. RSI has dropped. Coming to 2 hour chart, on the 2 hour charts you can notice higher lows are seen, which is a good sign for the bulls that it is not willing to break on the downside, and the support levels at around 2884, 2880, are getting stronger, below which you can expect 2870-72, the next strongest support. And if that is taken, we will wait for 2860-58, below which only you can confirm that it is trying to turn bearish. See, the moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossed over, not yet confirming the reversal yet. And I will say, see, yes, it is coming out of this bearish channel, which is a good sign that it is trying to retrace, however not yet confirming a reversal. And thus for now you need to wait for 28.95-96 zone to be taken. See, stochastic looking downwards, which is a slight bearish. The MACD is trading with divergence and bullishness. The RSI is sitting at the top. Coming to 3 hour, the observation on 3 hour charts is more or less same. Higher lows are seen, and we are waiting for it to break out on the upside. About 28.95-96 should be a good buying entry, but that should come with a greater resistance offered at around 2900 and then towards 2920. If it breaks beyond 2900, possibility will be very high that we may see 2908 and 2920 levels, the next resistance. Moving averages have started to stochastic staying over. The MACD trading with divergence and bullishness, the RSI rising, signs are still very much supportive for further bullishness. On the 4 hour charts, if you look at similar observation here, greater support is offered at around 2880, and then with that it is starting to rise, but I can see the price is getting a squeeze between the 20 and 50 period moving average. Thus this complete zone becomes a greater resistance and support zone for us to watch out for. And yes, the moving averages which is crossed over still are on the sell side, and remember on the 4 hour chart this crossover has appeared after a long time, and it appears it might stay here for a while. Thus I think the up move is going to be difficult, but yes, once it breaks on the upside, certainly you should go for a buy. Stochastic entering into overbought zone. MACD crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence, is staying bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is rising, which is again a very good sign for the bulls. Coming to the daily, see on the daily charts, once you note that it was trading with divergence, the prices were trading with divergence from 20 and 50. It has already moved here. What has happened since then? It is now delivering higher lows, and today again it is starting the day on a bullish note. Now only reversal confirmation. See, first probability here is that the prices may strike towards the median of the Bollinger Bands, which should offer a greater resistance, which means 2908, 2910 zone. The second thing is, because you can see that the bullishness is also getting diminished, and we have already a greater resistance in between, I will say 2895 to 2920. This is going to remain the greatest resistance zone. So even if it tries to stay bullish, possibility of a reversal exists very strong. Look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD on the other hand, if you look at the daily, see MACD crossed over at the top, and see how much room it has on the downside. We can say that it can still travel for a while before bouncing back. So right now it is too early to conclude that it is going to trade bullish, but yes, it is trying to retrace. However, I will not say that it is reversed completely. The signs are still very much not encouraging for the bulls here. RSI has dropped. So considering this, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So first is where you should buy. I will only recommend you to buy if you see gold trading about 28.95, 96, where you can expect the next targets to be at around 2900, 2902 for 29.8, 29.10, and then you can expect 29, 18, 20 levels. Now 29, 20 levels and this complete zone, I will say between 28.95 to 29.20 is going to remain a very, very good resistance for gold. Moving beyond this possibility is there that it can move towards the record levels again, that is at 29.55. Though the chances appear to be less here. On the downside now, I will recommend a selling entry at 28.84, 85 levels. Expect 28.78, 80 as the first target zone, 28.72, 74 as the next, and then the most important one is 28.60 levels. If it breaks below 28.60, you can expect the bears to take over from there, and you can look forward to a greater correction towards 28.40, 28.20 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. See silver on the hourly charts traded bullish here. Try to retrace, taking the support here from 31.40, 31.50. Now 31.40, 31.60. Earlier I have shared that this is going to remain a good support zone. Now again it is acting as a greater support. Now on the upside we need to wait for it to break beyond 30. A move beyond 32 will only confirm the reversal here, because once it trades beyond 32, chances will be very, very high that we may see 32, 40, 32, 50. See, the moving average is crossing over here is indeed a very good sign for the bulls. Until 31.40, you should not be treating silver as bearish. Only selling entry in silver today is below 31.40 levels. Stochastic rising. The MACD has crossed over here after retracement. It is showing slight signs of bearishness. While when you look at the RSI, this is also looking upwards now. Coming to 2-hour charts, when you look at 2-hour charts, the moving averages have started to converge. The support levels at 31.40 very, very strong. On the upside, if you look at 31.80, 32, so this is the zone silver needs to break. If it stays beyond 31.80, 32 levels, certainly you can say now the bulls are taking over. And then beyond that, we are looking forward to a greater rise. When you looked at the 2-hour chart, see it was trading in this nice bearish flag form, or not a flag, but a channel here. It has come out of this channel. However, at this point, what we are looking at, divide this into two: first drop, retracement, then the second move should appear here. And thus, as long as 32 is not taken, you have to be extremely cautious with the buys here. Stock ISIC has dropped. The MACD is still in the retracement, trying to trade bullish, trying to look upwards, staying bullish. The RSI is trading comfortable. Coming to 3-hour. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation, the resistance offered on the upside is upwards towards 31.80, $32 levels. Very, very strong. Support at 31.40, 31.60, pretty strong. Either it needs to trade above 32 or trade below 31.40, and specifically below 31.10, 31.20 zone. That will confirm another round of drop here. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD after the crossover at the bottom, trading bullish, looking up. The RSI is looking upwards, which is another good sign for the bulls. On the 4-hour charts, when you look at, see, I will say that 20 period, which was the resistance, now has offered a very strong support, and 50 period now acting as a resistance. And this also confirms that as long as silver stays between this zone, you need to exercise a bit of caution here. Now notice what has happened after a slight retracement. It is offered one greener, one swing, and the second one is coming towards turning green again, and thus a possibility is there that the prices may again move towards 31.80, 32. However, that should offer a greater resistance as well. Stochastic at the top, the MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is trading bullish as well. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, what has happened? See, the crossover is on the buy side. What has happened in silver here? It was trading in this bullish channel. It has come out of this channel, and in the near term, I have shared something that if you look at the move here, drop, retracement, and now once it comes out of this zone, specifically below 30, 50, and 30, we are looking forward to a greater round of correction. In fact, the prices can dip all the way below 30 and 28 levels. However, right now, when you look at the formation, after retracement, it has taken the support from the 50 period, trying to bounce back again. And now today, if you see it is staying above 31.80, 32, you can look forward to 32.20, 25, 32.40, 50 levels, and beyond 32.50 is where we are looking forward to a greater rise. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading bearish here, the RSI is comfortable. So looking at very simple, I will recommend you to buy here at 31.85 levels, expect 32.05, 32.25, and 32.50 levels. Any point of time, silver is staying above 32.50. We are looking forward to a greater up move all the way towards 33. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 31.50 levels, expect it to move towards 31.30, 31.10, and then all the way towards 30.80. Any drop below 30.80 should confirm the next move towards 30.50 levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon. Join my free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the year session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.